How to remove page breaks in Google Docs. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first open your docs, then open your document. Let's say this is the document. Generally page breaks are denoted by dashed lines or sometimes it is just this two blank space over here as you can see. So in order to remove page break, all you have to do is tap on delete and it will be sent to previous page. In order to insert page break, simply go to insert, then go to break. After that, go to next page like this. Now, if you want to delete this page, all you have to do is enter deleting this page or go back to this page like this. So that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any question, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.